Hello, let's simplify the question. Can we simplify this question? What are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to do? Let us simplify. What are we supposed to do? Okay. So the first thing that we are supposed to do is to rewrite the denominator. The first step is to rewrite the denominator part. How are we going to do that? Allow me to rub this, okay? So because of these three here, we need to write this part like this, and this will be 1 over 3. Okay? To get rid of the cube root, this is what we are supposed to do. To get rid of the cube root, this is what we are supposed to do. Okay? Then the next step is going to be, the power rule. Power rule indicates that we need to multiply. If you have, for instance, 2 to the power 3, then here you have 2. Power rule states that this is going to be 2 to the power, you multiply these ones. So you have 6. Okay? So that is what we are supposed to do for each one of these ones. We need to multiply them by 1 over. So I'm going to say x to the power 8, y to the power 6, then z to the power 12 over. Now we have to multiply now each one of these. So 12 multiplied by 1 over 3. 12, which is this one here, multiplied by 1 over 3. What are we going to get? That gives us x to the power 4. Okay? That gives us x to the power 4. Then, when we come to 18, again we are going to have 18, negative 18, multiplied by 1 over 3. This is just the same as negative 18 divided by 3. So we're going to have y, okay? This gives us negative 6. So this is going to be negative 6. Then z, again, instead of negative 18 here, you put 20, you put 24. So it will be 24 divided by 3. What are we going to get? That is going to give us 8. Are we there? Now, I'm sure you remember that when we are dividing powers of the same base, what are we supposed to do? What we are supposed to do is to subtract the indices. So like on x, we're going to say x, we have 8 minus 4, which is this one here. For y, we have y, 6, which is this 6 here, minus, what are we subtracting? Negative 6. So because of the negative, okay, so we can write it, it's negative 6 like this, isn't it? So this is going to give us plus, because of the minus and minus, so plus 6. Take note of that. Then z is equals to 12 minus 8. So what do we get eventually? This is going to give us x to the power 4, y to the power 12, z to the power 4. This is what we are going to get as our final answer. All right? Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe.